cell, it is growing inside the driftwood. We can't call it as a Tanuki. Tanuki means the plant which is growing with driftwood, that is called as the Tanuki style. But it is not a Tanuki style, it is not a bonsai. Just I like the way the plant is growing inside the driftwood. So I would like to develop this plant in this manner and give a shape as per the bonsai plant how I am giving the shape. For this also I will give a shape to the plant. This elm plant always have the habit of responding to the cutting and pruning very fast. We can remove the branches, then it responds very well. We can wire the branch and we can cut the branch, we can prune the branches. It is a fast growing plant and this plant can be grown from the branches also. We can apply rutile hormone or otherwise cinnamon powder or honey combined together and put it in the soil. Then it will grow into another plant. Elm is preferred by the bonsai artists because of these small leaves, and the leaves are also alternate. See here, one leaf here and one leaf here and one leaf here, and so alternate system. In a bonsai, always when we are making a bonsai, when we are selecting the branches, we will select in the alternate system. If one branch here is here and another branch will be here, like that alternate branches gives a nice look to the formal upright style. And if you want to make it a informal upright style also, informal upright style also, it gives a nice look. Or you can keep it in a slanting style and you can give a nice look to the plant. Or you can make it a cascade style, or we can make it into a windswept style. It needs regular fertilizing and the soil should be little bit moist. It won't grow in the hottest sun. If the temperature is more than 35 degrees, don't put it in the sunlight. Move it back to the shade and it responds well with the moist soil. It needs well drained soil also. See here, it is moving forward, so I am cutting this branch. When we are cutting the branches, the best way of cutting is you have to cut above the leaf. You have to cut above the leaf. So the water, the plant is supplying, the roots are supplying water to all the branches, leaves and every element of the plant. When the water is supplying here, then it is the water supply will be stopped here. If it is having a cut like this, if it is having a cut like this, that water, there won't be any leaf over there. If the water supply is also, that is a waste, then it cannot produce any leaves or anything. The leaves will be produced at the nodes of the branches only. This is one node and this is another node. So the leaves will be produced at the one node and at the nodes. Now if there is no node here, then there won't be any leaf development. So the water will, if it is going also, then it slowly stop and the branch, this area will be dried out completely, and then it will fall off like this. If you are cutting, if you are cutting like this, there won't be any dieback of the branch. There won't be any dieback of the branch, and the leaves will be healthy. Now there will be a chance of getting one more branch here and getting one more branch here. Always the development of the branches will be at the nodes only. You can see here now. There is a branch development at the node. I'll remove the leaves, you can see nicely. You can see clearly from the node there is a development of the branch. This is the one more branch, and it is developing from the node. Like that, the development takes place from the nodes. So you will get, if you are cutting the branch here, and there will be development of one more branch from here node. Then if you on the right side, if you are cutting here, there will be a development of branch on the left side. So how you are cutting, like that the development of the branches will be there here, and this is the left side. Then again when it is growing on the left side, then you will get cut on the left side, and the ramification, that the branch setting will be on the always will be the left side. Then you can select the branches and you can give a shape to the plant. Now we will see how we can shape this one. First we will remove some of the dried branches here. See here, it is dried. Like this, they will be dried dieback from the, if you are not cutting above the node, the entire area above the node will die back. I like this branch. It is growing down in a little bit movement. That movement of this branch is very nice. For time being, I keep it like this. Then I'll see the growth of the plants and I'll give a style to the plant. So many dried branches are there. We'll wire this one and bend it down, this branch.